Hi friends! Another AI plugin from Retouch4me series has been released. Many users were waiting for it, and finally it happened. The plugin is called Retouch4me Skin Tone. It evens out the skin tone. It often happens that some areas on a skin differ in hue from an average skin tone. These areas usually have warm or cool shade. In my case, there is redness on the face. I'm creating a copy of the layer and starting Retouch4me Skin Tone plugin. The plugin automatically determines the average skin tone and matches the rest of the skin to that color. I click Apply, and here is the result. Here is the photo before, and here is one after. Let's take a closer look. In the photo before, there was some redness on the cheeks and chin. Compare it with the after version that has an even skin color. Please note that the color of the lips in the photo hasn't changed. That is, you don't need to mask lips or other red objects in the photo. The plugin retouches only those areas where it is really needed. People have red faces, red cheeks, and red noses when shooting in winter. The skin gets red pretty fast if it's freezing outside. Usually, photographers need to manually correct such redness in post-processing. In this case, there was not only redness of the skin, but also cold shades around the eyes. Retouch4me Skin Tone plugin coped well with this task. It made the cool areas on the face warmer and retouched the redness on the cheeks. Here's the photo before, here is one after. The plugin works fine not only with close-up portraits, but also with full-length portraits. If a person occupies a very small part of the frame, it is better to tick on high-resolution checkbox. In my case, the plugin works just fine. You can adjust the impact of the plugin with the help of Blend slider, for example, like this. See the photo before. Red shades were on the chin, on the cheeks, on the forehead, on the girl's arms, and on the ear. The skin color is evened out after applying the plugin. At the same time, the color of the lips didn't change. Sometimes it happens that a model has red hands. The plugin also can fix it. Please note that the plugin adjusts the color to the average skin tone. So if you made a mistake with the white balance settings, the plugin would not help you. You can further enhance the effect. Let's zoom in. Here is a photo before, and here is one after. The color of the hands has changed significantly. Here's the photo before, here is one after. The redness disappeared from the cheeks and around the eyes. The skin tone has become even, but the lips haven't changed. And the last example, there is also some red skin here. Let me remind you that the plugin can batch process photos. You can also set batch processing of raw files. There is a separate lesson about this on the channel. Here's the result. Let's take a closer look. Here's a photo before. Here is the after version. The magenta hue has been eliminated from both hands. The skin tone on the face is evened out. At the same time, the lips remained red as in the photo before. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the results of Retouch4me Skin Tone plugin. It works like magic. Most importantly, the plugin does everything automatically. This means that you can not only improve the quality of your photos, but also save precious time. You can buy the plugin at retouch4me. See the links in the video description. Bye everyone.